I'm going to show you how you can pair and connect these Groove On earbuds directly to your iPhone via Bluetooth, okay? Now I'm talking about this model of earbuds here, okay? Not this one here, it's a little bit different, and not these ones here, okay? So we're talking about this one here. So first thing is we want to put this in a pairing mode. Now the buds are in here. Now when I open this up, you'll know that it's in pairing mode if you get a white flashing light here blinking rapidly. I have a slow blinking light. Both sides would be blinking white very fast, okay? Mine's not blinking white very fast because I'm connected to a different device. So in order for me to put this in pairing mode where the white light will blink rapidly is I have to go to wherever this was connected to. Like for example, is my phone here. I can go to my phone's Bluetooth settings and I can disconnect or remove it from the pairing list. And as soon as I do that on this phone over here, then it's going to start blinking white rapidly, okay? Now another way I can put this in a pairing mode even though I'm connected to a different phone is this, all right? You have a button here on the very bottom here, that little round button, okay? So I'm going to open this up here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to press and hold this button until I get a white blinking light very quickly on here, okay? So that button is here, ready, set, go. Press and hold. I'm going to hold it now. Keep holding. Wait. Oh, there you go. White, white, white. See it? Both sides. So we're in pairing mode. Now we got to hurry up. Go to your iPhone here, and we're going to go to settings. You want to go to your Bluetooth settings here. Settings, we're going to go to Bluetooth. Make sure that it's turned on. And that little spinny thing right here in the devices is searching for a device that's in pairing mode near me. And obviously it found the on-shoe wireless. I mean, we're still in the pairing mode here. So here it is right here. Let's go ahead and tap on that. Voila, we are connected. Okay, and I'll go back here. I'll go to the Bluetooth list. You can see that we're connected. Now, if you have any kind of issues pairing or connecting or anything, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.